Hi, I'm Lavender Mukaya, and today we'll be going through the core symbols of BPMN. BPMN is Business Process Mapping Notation. This is a language that is used in your business process maps just to show the end-to-end activities that are done within the process in that particular business or in that business unit. The core symbols are categorized into four. First, we have our flow objects. Within the flow objects, we have our events, and we have different types of events. These events show how the process starts, what happens in the flow of the process, and also how the process comes to an end. Next, we have our tasks or our activities. These are the activities that are done within the process map. And lastly, we have our gateways. These are to show any decisions or any pathways that are coming out of a specific task. Next, we have our connecting objects. We have our sequence flows. This just connect the different elements in the process map. That would be your tasks, your elements, and your gateways. Next, we have our message flows. This is to show any communications between the main pool and the external pool. Lastly, we have our association arrows. These are to show the inputs and the outputs from a specific task. Next, we have our artifacts. Those are your data objects. So data objects would be either your documents and your systems. And we also have text annotations. These are to provide any extra information that you may want to add onto the process map that you can't add as part of that specific task. Lastly, we have our swim lanes. In the process map, we have our main pool. Your main pool would be your entity, that is either the business unit or the organization. And within the main pool, we would have our lanes, which are the roles that are responsible for executing the tasks within that process map. You can also have external pools. These are outside of that specific business unit. These are the core symbols of business process mapping notation. Thank you for watching.